sands to ocean tides, the rhythm flows, it never hides. Echoes of ancient voices rise, binding us beneath the skies. From the desert sands to ocean tides, the rhythm flows, it never hides. Echoes of ancient voices rise, binding us beneath the skies. Feel the roots, feel the beat, the earth beneath your dancing feet. A journey through the soul's embrace, lost in time and sacred space. Feel the roots, feel the beat, the earth beneath your dancing feet. A journey through the soul's embrace, lost in time and sacred space. And a droning instrument, whispered vocal line weaves in. Through the ages, through the sound, where the rhythm's roots are found. Rising in pungent scents, create tension, building drop the drop, drop. A heavy driving house beat, with deep kicks and groovy hi-hats melody. A bright soaring is the main theme, bassline, where the rhythm's roots are found. Rising in pungent scents, create tension, building toward the drop, drop. Mountains speak, rivers sing, life's a song in everything. Dance to the pulse, the ancient way, feel the rhythm, night and day. Drums fade, leaving only the ethnic flute and soft ambient sounds. A deep, resonant chant fills the space, creating an introspective mood. Let the music guide you home, where the roots of rhythm roam. Feel the roots, feel the sound. Through every heartbeat we are bound. A journey through the soul's embrace, lost in time and sacred space. The ethnic melody to echo softer sounds of nature return. Wind, water, and distant chanting heartbeat lingers, then fades to silence.